Canaveral National Seashore is a national seashore located between New Smyrna Beach and Titusville, Florida, in Volusia and Brevard counties. The park, located on a barrier island, was created on January 3, 1975, by an act of Congress. The park is split between Brevard and Volusia counties, with 9 miles of the seashore in Brevard County and 15 miles of the seashore in Volusia County. Canaveral National Seashore consists of 24 miles of beaches, dunes, mangrove wetlands, and a large portion of the Mosquito Lagoon. The Canaveral National Seashore is also the longest expanse of undeveloped land along the east coast of Florida. The Canaveral National Seashore is home to more than 1,000 plant species and 310 bird species. Canaveral National Seashore occupies 57,662 acres, including lagoons. There are 3 major beach sections in the seashore. The southern section is Playa Linda Beach, the middle section is Klondike Beach, and the northern section is Apollo Beach.